Alright, chat. Speedrun time. Yeah. Boya. Bing, chilling. Ba-da-ba, bing, chilling. Ba-da. It's the timer starts when I go down. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, chat. I've never been here since the new update, so I have no idea. There's a Sigma spawn, dude. That spawn is pretty Sigma. Okay, where did the tunnel go? I don't know where the tunnel is. There it is. Sigma. Okay, go over here. Jump. Oh, almost failed that. Did they switch this thing again? Hope they did not. My goal is to get a full bag. Can you turn the light, please? Please, I'm doing a speed run. Hey guys, he didn't turn it on. Stop burping, dude. Okay. I don't know what to do here. Can we go this way? No. I've only played this once. I'm him, bro. I can do a speedrun without. I did it. I'm all the way down there in like 2 minutes. I make it world record, chat, because absolutely nobody has attempted this. Not in this update. Okay, those are small ones. Those suck. Those absolutely suck. We need to go red zone. Full red. Full red, cat. Cat. Not chat, it's cat. You're a furry, dude. That's the wrong way, I need to go this way. Yeah, I don't know where to go. Where is red zone? There it is. Okay, this is where red zone is. Just need a... Oh my god. What game is it? Oh, that you're watching the video. Playing Five Nights at Freddy's. You mean his phone? Yeah, I remember. Hey, which FNAF game is that? Oh, there's more. There's 2, 3, and 4. On that website, just 2, 3, and 4. Okay, suitcase. Oh my god. This speedrun is very bad, actually. I feel like I'm being very slow right now. Okay. My bag is almost full. So. Not to get back too, so I can just like steal this and then just not get it back. Okay, we're almost done. I think we need one more. And if I'm not getting any big ones, please tell me in the comments, because okay, it's full. Okay, we're good. Now we just gotta leave. That's surprisingly not the hard part. Just getting it is the hard part. I've actually never attempted this, so I don't know if I'm doing good. Spawns are really good, though. Can't believe the spawns were this good. Okay, this is the hard part. I think. I touched it by accident. Okay, we're good. Mr. Trim Alfredo. Okay, there we go. Okay, Sigma, I saw that. How much money did I get? I got 4K a minute. Or 2 minutes. Sigma, okay, thank you guys for watching. This is my speed 1. I got whatever time it says right up there. Oh no.